Hello everyone, this is Sushil Misra and still we are continuing with exercise 3.4 and now I am taking question number 7 of your exercise, that is sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Okay, this is the question. So we'll have to find the general solution of this equation. We have to find the general solution of this equation. So let us start. Sin 2x. Okay, so formula of sin 2x is what? 2 sin x cos x. Formula for sin 2x is what? 2 sin x cos x plus cos x is already there is equal to 0. Cos x can be taken as common, so this will be 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0, just like your factorization part. Okay, so listen here, cos x is equal to 0 and 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0, so sin x equal to minus 1 upon 2. Sin x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So first condition here, you can see first condition, as I told, if cos x is equal to 0, then general solution x equal to 2n pi plus 1 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Then the general solution will be 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to integer. This in introductory part already I had explained. When cos x equal to 0, then general solution will be like this. When tan x is equal to 0, n pi. When sin x equal to 0, n pi plus minus. So that I have already said. So if cos x equal to 0, so here directly x should be what? 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. This is the first general solution when cos x equal to 0. When sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2, just like the previous question which I had solved already in the first video, likewise we have to solve. I am rubbing this. Listen carefully. Okay, let us see. Forget about the minus sign. You just forget about the minus sign. Again I said this is theta, this is pi minus theta, this is pi plus theta, and this is 2 pi minus theta. Add sugar to coffee. Okay, add sugar to coffee. As you know, sign is negative. In which quadrant sign is negative? I think so, this third and fourth quadrant. So first of all we have to find the value of theta, then we'll go for principal value. Okay, then we'll move for the principal value. So let us start. So sin x is equal to sin 1 by 2 means sin 31 by 2 pi by 6. Here minus sign. Okay, sin pi by 6. So you forget about, again I am saying, minus sign. So x should be equal to pi by 6. X should be pi by, but this is not your theta. This is not your principal value. So we'll write, since sin x is negative, therefore principal values will be pi plus x and 2 pi minus x. Okay, here I am writing, so don't be confused. Okay, pi plus x, this, and 2 pi minus x. Here in the formula I have written theta, but here it is given x, angle is x. So pi, therefore pi plus x is what? Pi by 6 and 2 pi minus pi by 6. So this will be 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Therefore general solution x is equal to General solution when sin x is equal to sin y. Okay, so don't take it as y. When sin x is equal to sin y, then the general solution will be n pi plus minus minus 1 to the power n pi plus minus minus 1 to the power n y. Yes, I am correct. Minus 1 to the power n and y that any of 2. Okay, 7 pi by 6. This will be your general solution, first general solution. This will be the second. So this will be the way to solve your question for finding out the general and the principal solution, principal value and general solutions. Okay, why we have not taken this value? Because it is minus, so that is coming this 7 pi by 6, so we have to take this value. Okay, don't take it as y in this case for minus value. Okay. I hope you understand. For any doubt you can comment, and please, being an 11th class students, you need to solve as many as questions possible, because it is almost impossible to solve all the questions on the board. So it is better to practice at home. But if you are getting any doubt, you can post your comment. Thank you.